Warning, we're a no jargon, non-technical, non-blokey channel that uses 40 years of motor industry experience to inform, educate and hold your hand in everything cars. Hi and welcome to EweDrive. My name's Elaine.
My name's Tom.
And we're the co-founders of EweDrive. This is a really short introductory video to tell you more about EweDrive, who we are, what we do and how we can potentially help you. So Tom, tell us about EweDrive.
Well, EweDrive is an idea that you originally had, Elaine. And just to let the viewers know, Elaine and I have been in the motor industry many years. We still are in the motor industry and we talk to literally hundreds of car buyers and car leasers every month. And we've noticed that a great deal of them are taken advantage of by motor dealers in that car buying process. So Elaine came up with a genius idea that we should have a website and a channel that could potentially help those people with information, education, just to arm them in preparation for that car buying experience.
Sure. And we know from our experience as well that anything cars related, be it car sales, car maintenance, it's very male dominated. So it's kind of like a high testosterone arena. And for a lot of people, it can be quite intimidating, for men as well. But obviously for women, I think that feeling of, you know, am I going to be ripped off? Am I going to understand what's being offered to me? Is kind of amplified for a lot of women.
Yeah, it's a very jargonistic industry. It is a very blokey industry. And it can be quite intimidating when you go into a showroom and you're welcomed by someone in a sharp suit, a shiny showroom, and you're listening to all of the reasons why you should buy the car from them there and then. And they will use jargon to try and impress you and ultimately take advantage of you. And so knowledge is key, and knowledge is a money and time saver in these circumstances for sure.
Sure. And what experience have you got, Tom? Just maybe you can explain really quickly to our viewers what experience you have.
Yeah, so I've got over 40 years experience in the retail motor industry. I started off in a Vauxhall dealership straight from school and was with them for many years, right through to BMW in sales, business management, sales management, finance, leasing, new cars, used cars, pretty much the entire gambit. And also we did a great deal of insurance within those functions as well.
Yeah.
And you?
So I actually started off in a mini dealership.
Okay.
So I have experience with like car sales.
You mean the dealership was small?
No, the mini car.
Okay.
Mini and BMW.
Right.
Yeah. So it's one of the largest showrooms actually in the UK. But
mini dealership.
yeah, a huge mini dealership. So I actually started in mini, and so I had experience of like sales, test drives, finance, insurance within mini, and then moved across to the BMW side as well. So I have lots of experience within like mini and BMW and working in a dealership and helping customers. I've been in the industry for probably 25, 28 years now, but still in the industry, obviously, as are you. So
just in case you're wondering, that's a bit of a coincidence that Elaine and I were in a BMW dealership. We were in the same dealership, so we've known each other for a long time, and we've since started another business which has been running 17 years, also attached to the motor industry, and we're very much involved with dealing with car buyers each and every day. So we hope this channel is going to bring you some helpful tips, information, education. We're going to try and do this in a very light-hearted way. We're not terribly good presenters, so do bear with us. We also would ask you for any ideas that you might have for content, any questions that you might have. We're happy to do an episode on a particular question if it's a common question, but we'll cover the full gambit of topics. And any ideas you've got, any suggestions, questions, please drop us a line. At the end of the video here, we'll have an email address to do that, and we'll be happy to respond and reply and hopefully create a video for you.
Yeah, and just to confirm, the type of topics we'll be covering on this, if you've got any questions, will be anything related to car buying, car leasing, selling your car, finance options, insurances. I mean, insurances, there's like warranties, extended warranties, service plans, gap insurance, tire insurance, alloy wheel insurance, scratch and dent insurance, paint and upholstery protection.
Keep going.
Selling your car, maintenance, car gadgets, car accessories, anything car related that you, if you've got any questions, then yeah, feel free to send us your questions.
And she can talk for England. So thanks ever so much for tuning in, and we'll catch up on the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any car questions, experiences or deals you'd like to share, just drop us a line by email.